Yeah, during the beginning of the day,
Yeah.
the machine will require you to mix the disinfectant because it's been inactive for more than 4 hours.
Okay, that's it.
With one hand here,
Yeah.
and I take the other hand with the tip so that way I don't damage it.
Okay.
And I grab the bottom like that. It's
Okay.
okay if it's a little tangled, so
Okay.
back up. The problem is you need to flush this before. Like
Oh,
you
before
need
you
to
put
drain the insides because
Suction?
the scope
Scope
buddy,
buddy.
yeah. You don't have a scope buddy here, so we have to
Flush it
manually
here?
drain it.
Oh, manually
sink.
drain in the sink?
Yeah, we just grab the ends and then drain it that way. Yeah. So
Oh, so you put it
first I lay it
together.
down on top of layers like that.
Yeah.
In between these two prongs. Right?
2 prongs, okay.
You good there? And then the next thing you want to try to do, sometimes they'll be tangled, but just focus on trying to get this part
Okay.
hooked up at that end. And I like to try to give myself room here. And what you're doing here next is just coiling it around. You
This
see how there's a bunch of
stuff.
prongs, yeah?
Yeah.
You want to do outer first,
Okay.
coil it around the outer. I like to use my other hand to just guide it. Well, it's just
It's just practical.
just
You just
coil,
coil with this, inside with this, see?
yeah. You just try to coil.
That's why in the video it's more good.
There you go.
So that I know.
So it's basically coiled,
Yeah.
and then the thing is, there's
have to
these
connect.
connectors.
Yeah, the connectors.
Depending, the way they teach you is actually supposed to be already hooked up. But
Yeah,
I
yeah.
like it easier to just be unhooked, and I hook
It
it
should
in.
be hooked up, right?
Yeah.
Same with us.
But for me, it's just much easier for me doing it this way.
But sometimes you forgot or no?
I never forget. Have you ever used these ones? So these ones are a
see.
bit annoying because this one.
Press. You
Yeah.
have to press down.
If it's pressed like this, you see how it's flat.
Yeah.
There's no indent.
Yeah.
This will not work.
Oh, okay.
You need to make sure that this is,
Press up.
there's like a bit of
Press up.
indent. You press
Yeah,
up,
yeah.
it's coming
Sticking out.
and you put it in,
Yeah. Okay.
and you just like
Got it.
it's just hold it cliff. The other
That-
parts are basically easy and hook. You just screw it in, right? It's pretty self-explanatory. There's this extra part that you're not used
Color,
to.
look at the color, orange.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter.
the machine will guide you.
Yeah.
No, it does matter.
It does matter with this
Yeah.
because the one that's fit here.
No, but this, the green one will fit in here. That's what I'm saying, right? I don't think it will, yeah.
Yeah, just the color.
Just the color. But you want to try to hook this underneath. That's where it goes.
Okay.
Nice and snug. You just hook it in. And this one as well. You just hook it into this part. You have to press it. You have to press
Press
down.
it down so it coming click too. Yeah.
There's no click actually. You
Just
just,
the
press
press that
down.
it's-
And then when you pull out, you should be locked in.
Oh, okay. Oh, you unlock it now.
The thing
The same
is-
thing, I think. You just press.
But this
Yeah.
is weird. You're not gonna get used to this, but I can do this one hand. You wanna try this? Because this is much more difficult than it looks.
Okay, wait. Did I pause that? Para continue. So it's just squeeze or what? What should I do? Just press?
See, this is the weird part about it, right?
Yeah.
You have to like pinch it.
Pinch down or up?
Just pinch it in general. Like you want to
this
have
one.
like a weird. You see this ridge? You want to
this
pinch
one.
that ridge up, and then at the bottom, yeah, there you go, like that. But like, it's a pinching motion. You want to pinch it in between. Like one part, the bottom part goes up, the top part goes down, like
Oh,
a pinch.
this is so
And
weird.
remember, it needs to be indent. That one is flat right now, so there you go. If you
up.
feel it, there you go. And this one you just push in. There
There.
you go.
Oh.
So it's a bit tricky,
So you
but
just press up so that it show. Okay.
But that's basically it.
So how about the scan?
Older scopes? I think it's all going to be new scopes, right?
It's the same, I think. It's something and then elite.
Yeah,
This is elite, right? Or OER elite. Oh yeah, this one. They have this.
I was just pressing OK. That was confirming a
Okay,
message.
and then
Where's the okay now?
and then it's
Oh, it's
done.
gone. Well, I can remove it. So
Okay, so the scanner held.
there you go.
Yeah.
So this is just asking if you did the leak test,
Yeah.
if you did the manual cleaning.
So yes.
Yeah, it's by default is yes,
Or okay,
yes.
yeah.
Press OK. Okay, so that would be that.
Basically, and
And then you would
close.
just close it in, you'll lock it, and then you would just start it.
This one. Can I pause? Press.
So
30 minutes only?
30 minutes. It's not
Cool.
Not too cool. The thing is,
What do you mean it's not too quick? Ours is longer. 35, 38 minutes.
yeah, but I would have thought it would have been quicker enough for something
Yeah.
elite.
Yeah, it is.
But they will slow down. The thing is, you have to change a lot of filters with this.
Oh yeah, I know.
So we
'Cause
see we're using these filters there.
Yeah.
We have indoor filters. We have gas filters. Once they start to clog up and they get dirty, then this
it
thing will slow
will.
down.
How do you know if it's like it's clogged? It's not.
Well, Olympus recommends 6 months.
Sick.
But if this starts to like
Something,
increase,
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it will alarm or like notify.
Yeah, if it gets to like 50 minutes, then it'll alarm. It will not finish the cycle.
And then how about this? Can you open where you will change? Oh, yeah, I'll put
You change.
detergent.
So this is just the actual detergent. Easy
Yeah,
enough.
just put it.
I have stuff
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Same.
I have detergent here.
How
The
about
thing
this?
is-
Disinfectant tool.
Okay.
Can open or not?
The thing about this is you can't open this actually. This is encased. Give me a sec. I think I put that in the times. All the what do you call it? The detergent here is already unusable. It's already past the date that we need. We have 6 days, so it's only 5 days. 25 cycles, 5 days. Make when you contact with the Olympus representative, ask them to make sure if you can go over 25 cycles, because our
Basically, it's
representative
25 only.
no, our representative said it's okay to go over 25 as long as it passes the indicator test.
Yeah.
But you cannot go over the 5 days.
So only 5 days.
Only 5 days, yeah.
What? Oh, is it? You said
Okay.
6 days. It's a.
Yeah, no, we're not using this anymore. That's why I had this off. So, you want me to show you how we change this?
Yeah.
Okay, since you're here.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna load it up because I don't need it right now.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna drain. So it's pretty simple. Let's go back to the main menu. So you're gonna be starting off in this menu.
Where is the menu long? You're so fast.
You'd be in this menu.
one.
This is the starting menu.
Okay.
You'd go to menu.
Menu.
This would bring you to all the general
Yeah.
things you want to do.
Okay.
And you would go to replacement of consumable items because this is a consumable item.
Okay.
And then you'd press drain because you have to drain first, right? Remove it from the tank.
Through the drain hose, through the disinfectant.
What we have is for the drain hose that just goes into our plumbing. We don't collect it, so you just press that.
And then start.
And then
ID.
the thing is, there's always IDs here. They will always ask for IDs for everything you do.
Okay. Yeah, because it said ID.
Yeah. And
Then start.
Yeah, we just start. You don't want to do anything else really.
And then so when you change it, this one you put it the same thing with this here.
Oh, sorry.
This because you're gonna change it this one or no?
This is the second. This is the first step. It's in the second step that will
This
change
one,
it.
this
Yeah.
disinfectant.
This will only open when the machine allows us, because it doesn't let it open otherwise.
So this one only for this you release.
This one we can just open up anytime, but you should, in my opinion, you should wait for the machine to say that it's empty because it records everything.
Yeah, I know. So this one that we drain is this from this?
No,
Where is this from that we drain?
the disinfectant.
That is in
Yeah, the asticide or like the rapicide.
So this
the-
one too is like 5 days too.
This is only 5 days.
5
Yeah,
days.
no, this
and
is the one that's 5
Oh yeah,
days.
this is 5 days, and this is the one that is alcohol and detergent.
Yeah. Oh, this one is like a month. The alcohol, whatever.
Whatever it's called, like it will alarm to like need to refill, right?
Yes.
Or maybe 5.
Yeah. It will alarm every time.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, it's very good. If you miss like a connector, they'll cancel it early.
Okay, that's
So
good too. Because at
you don't
least,
just waste the entire cycle, and it won't
Yeah.
use up the cycle either.
oh, that's
Yeah.
nice.
It will only use up because it says LCG left in tank cannot be discharged because the sensor is just uneven and there's still a little bit, and it thinks there's still more.
So you put it okay, and
So
then
okay, and this is just telling you what you should do, but we already know the solution, so
yeah,
yeah, I'll just ignore all of this
Okay.
basically. And it says drain again, so I will drain again.
okay.
Drain hose, scan.
Scan.
Yeah,
Is that your ID or one ID?
we were supposed to have custom IDs, but we never did.
Same.
So we still have to
To
drain,
drain everything, yeah.
and this will drain the remainder, and this will also help fix that. problem.
This one, right? It
Yeah.
will go through.
It'll go through.
It's not error or something.
That's that. It slows down.
And
50 minutes before.
so this one long, same thing too, 6 months, right?
6 months, but for us,
too?
I think our water is not.
So you have to calculate this one too. If you have a lot of doctors or few doctors, you can use it. You're not gonna waste the chemical.
We only used one today because there's
Only one doctor. Okay.
So now it passed through. Like I said.
So now it passed through this one.
Yeah.
So now this is the
asticide. This is like a vinegar mixture.
yeah. It's the same with the one that I work. It's vinegar mixture. It's not really like rabicide. Rabicide.
Yeah, no, the rabicide is very strong.
Yeah. Very strong. So wait long. It will show here that is that. So this is all the.
This is just water now.
It's rinsing now or something.
Yeah, it's already finished draining everything.
So after the drain, so it's passed now, right? Because we can get through now, right? So now it's cleansing,
Yeah.
and that's it. We're done.
That's it. There's no disinfectant inside.
Yeah, I know. So you wanna reload that one
Then
tomorrow?
I would reload it tomorrow.
Stop my video.
Yeah, if you have nothing else.
I think so. 21 minutes left. Oh, I'm so excited.
Unless you want to see the logging, like the records, because you can access the records in here as well.
Okay, how? Here's a contain. Perform the following: open the front door and remove the rubber.
So basically, the action that I just did,
Well.
just to drain it.
The drainage, yeah.
But we did it early, so we can
Yeah.
actually pass.
Okay.
So just continue. It says
Okay.
drain is complete. If you were gonna do it, you'd load.
Yeah.
They'll ask you.
Yeah, same thing. The ID and then
ID, lot number.
and then you put it here,
expiration
the
date.
chemical.
Yeah, I'd put the chemical here.
Then
make it
going
easier.
here.
Yeah, and then you pull it out.
Can you pull it or no?
I can't.
Oh no.
Unless I trigger the actual thing. But otherwise, the log. You have logs here. You processing records.
So long, all records.
And then you see everything.
And then export.
Oh, yeah. If you want to
Export.
collect everything, you press export.
And
You
then
insert a
ID,
USB.
the USB-C. No, there's a USB-C here.
Yeah, USB.
Okay.
Just put a flash drive there. I'm not going to do that now.
And then just put it in the computer.
Yeah. The problem is if you want to grab everything, you have to do it one by one.
Yeah, of course. You're gonna do
Well,
it
no.
all.
The Olympus guys can do it all.
Oh yeah?
I asked him and he's like, oh yeah, but you're not allowed to use it. I was like, what the hell? So I would recommend you change some settings when you get yours. Or I don't know. Depends on how you
Print
do it.
option. There's print
By default,
option
this thing is enabled. Connection guide.
on.
So this is like, it shows you how you're supposed to connect it. So
I think the Olympus will go there to sit up us.
well,
Or to go to school one day or something.
well,
Right?
I was the
You
one that
guys-
changed it because I didn't like this, and it took too long. It was just like repetitive. So there's one option that I like to use is the user ID. It's just reprocessing. So this one, I use by default, this is off, but I turn the option on for the same users for two scopes.
Yeah, okay. You
Because
can,
normally you'd have to scan it twice.
Twice.
If you put in two scopes, you scan twice.
so instead of twice,
I just
one
get
for
one.
two scopes.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
uses the
sure.
same exact ID.
Yeah, so
Pretty
exactly.
nice one. But
So you put it on that
I
one.
have it on now.
Okay, that makes sense too. That's good.
But otherwise, yeah, that's kind of it.
Okay, so that's it.
Yeah.